hello, so I'm staying home resting, nothing to do, so I decided to, I found this banana that almost want to spoil already, so I decided to use this banana to make a banana pancake, but I'm going to do the healthy version one, without any sugar.
So the ingredient is very simple, so banana, egg, black flour, and instead of sugar I put actually protein powder. And this one actually is like a yogurt drinks lah, so I don't want to waste it, so I want to use it to replace the milk. Yeah, I think it's actually this one can be done as well, and then you can put yogurt also, it tastes very good. The powder itself, so I put 1.5 scoop because I want to have like a little bit sweet and more protein. I will pour the bread flour. So the bread flour, you ask me how much, I actually not so sure, I got. So what happened, I'll just slowly pour and keep mixing it. Okay, now I stop. Maybe about 200 grams, I think. This will be bread, so I just put a little bit more. So I think like this, yeah, okay already. But let's say if you don't want to be like me, don't want to be like, you can actually put sugar, of course it tastes better lah. Oh. Okay, it's ready. So when you feel that there's a heat over here, means that the pan is hot already, because I don't want to use oil, so that's why I make sure the pan is hot, then it won't stick. So but then now you have to adjust the heat to become like lowest. Ready.